And you mentioned this earlier, the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. How will the Republicans deal? Will this be a repeal and replace? Will this be a repeal and delay? How's it going to work?
Well, it's repeal and replace. Having said that, you have contracts that go for the next year and perhaps the year after. The insurance companies will be bidding soon on 2018. So it took a couple of years to implement, and it will take a couple of years to transition. So we're busy trying to find out the best way to do that. We understand, first, Arizona is hit hard by premium increases as much as 116%. In all 15 of Arizona's counties, the average family of 4 is spending more on health care premiums monthly than they spend on their mortgage if you have Obamacare and if you don't take the subsidies into account. That says nothing about what is paid when you get to utilize that care, when you get to the hospital, in terms of co-pays and deductibles. So it is not affordable. It needs to change. But we understand as well, a lot of Arizonans are now relying on it, and so we can't pull the rug out from under anybody now.
President-elect says he wants to see it repealed and replaced, but simultaneously. Do you agree?
Well, you bet. That's the goal, to do it as quickly as possible. Given the way our process works and what you can do in reconciliation, what you can't do, it may make it difficult to do it simultaneously. But the goal is to do it as quickly as we can.
Democrats say instead of repealing and replacing, how about making what exists work? Everyone get together, make it work. Valid?
Well, the problem is that the whole structure just doesn't work very well. We've had it in place for a couple of years and premiums continue to go up. So I don't think building on this structure is the right way to go. I hope that we can do things on a bipartisan basis. After we get through reconciliation, it takes 60 votes in the Senate to do just about anything. And so I hope that we can get partners on the Democratic side. Some are stepping forward already, saying that they want to work with us to actually fix the parts that need to be fixed, to repeal the parts that need to be repealed. And so that's what we're going to be working on in the next couple of weeks.